Hey there guys, it's Rocky Red Panda here for P&D Studios. It is Wednesday on my channel, which means it's time for another awesome review. But before we get into anything, make sure you like and subscribe. That's right, like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos here at P&D Studios. Hit it! And welcome back, guys. Again, my name is Rocky Red Panda, and we're doing this week's review. So this week, we're going to Hanover, Pennsylvania. I know my screen is kind of whitewashed back here, but we're going to talk about a place that I've never been to. I've always passed it. It's called Dutch Country. That's right. They're located on, let's see, the south side of Hanover, kind of between where Ollie's is and that other super Walmart. But don't take my word for it. Just watch this video. So, Dutch Country is located in South Hanover, Pennsylvania. That's right. I do have my little notes here. So mine. So, Dutch Country was opened in 1930. It was opened by a family. It wasn't called Dutch Country back then. In 1940, it did move to its current location. It went through multiple different owners, but by 1980, that's when it became the Dutch Country that we know. They built the building, and now, ta-da, and that's how it looks like. It's a pretty cool place. If you like Pennsylvania Dutch food, you would love Dutch Country. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now, I went there for dinner with two of my friends with me. Josue, and of course now we're going to add my other friend, Jasmine. We went to check this place out. Now, I've heard, there were rumors, that this place had really good roasted chicken. Well, that's what I got. All the food there was amazing. But before we get into the roasted chicken, let's talk about the atmosphere. So, as soon as you enter into the restaurant, you're greeted by this casual diner-like establishment. And of course, in the back, they have a huge banquet hall. That was something they added many years later. And of course, the banquet hall works in case if you want banquets, catered, wedding parties, birthday parties, you name it, you can have it there. Even retirement parties, hey, bar mitzvahs. But it's a pretty cool place. I do like it. You sit down, the menu is simple, it's easy to read. The prices, when it comes to the food on the menu, it goes from like $1 to the most expensive thing on the menu. Of course, anything seafood is going to be expensive, but $39.99 for the ultimate feast seafood platter with jumbo lump crab cake. That's about the most expensive you're going to be paying there, folks. But regardless of that, the food was delicious. I ended up getting, of course, my chicken, and my God, that chicken was good. I also got the broccoli salad. That was delicious as well. And everything they served there is absolutely delicious. So if you saw the video, you saw all the food my friends got. It's home cooking. It's Pennsylvania Dutch cooking. Even if you're not from Pennsylvania and you're visiting, it's worth checking out. Good food. Now, what about their service? The service, they're quick. They're like on their feet. They get to your table. The food comes out orderly, on time. It's beautiful. Now, here's the perks, you guys. You guys like the perks. Well, what about handicap accessibility, and what about parking and handicap parking? Well, parking is on premise. It's right next door to the building. And handicap accessibility, yes, you can easily get in. There's no stairs going in. They do have a ramp. So that is pretty cool. Now, what about vegetarian and vegan options and gluten-free? They have all of the above. They offer those on the menu. Now, when it comes to service, I already mentioned the service is great, atmosphere is amazing, and when you walk in, you look around, you do have this homely feel of this kind of like country diner that looks almost like you're in Lancaster. I mean, I think that's what they're going for. It's pretty cool, it's unique, and it's different. Now, putting all of this together in the big bubble, I'm going to give Dutch Country a rating of... So I'll definitely be going back to check more stuff on their menu. That's your breakfast. We're going to be giving it a rating of 8.5 out of 10. Huzzah! Hey, thank you guys. You guys are amazing. This place is absolutely delicious. So next time you're in Hanover, definitely check out Dutch Country Kitchen, especially even if you're visiting Gettysburg. Hanover is only like a 30-minute drive from Gettysburg there, so it's definitely worth it. Now, if you've been to Dutch Country, I want to hear your comments and reviews about your experience below, so definitely leave that there. Now, what is coming up next week? Well, next week, we're going to be going down to Frederick, Maryland, and we're going to be talking about one of my favorite places for authentic Peruvian food called Maita's Peruvian. That's right. You're going to definitely enjoy that. But until next week, good eats and enjoy the lovely food, guys. Peace.